Welcome to RobinAI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create content from social media category. Go to left menu. Click on Robin. Now choose social from category. Now choose type of content you want to create. You can choose from our vast variety of social media related content. Provide all required details. Like description of social post. Choose the tone of result. Language of your result. And your result will be generated. You can regenerate it. Or copy it. Or restart it again. Thanks for watching the video.